Students, welcome to this continuation class for alcohol phenols. Now I am discussing about the trihydric alcohol, that is the third type. Trihydric alcohols. In the phenol also included. So now consider one of the example here, CH2CH2. Here actually CH3, here CH2, here CH3 in hydrocarbon. One hydrogen replaced with the hydroxy group. Keep in mind, sometime when I am writing that compound, maybe I will forget. Carbon valence is a 4 based on the pH balance, whatever that. Sometimes maybe 1 or 2 hydrogen we will forget. But you have to keep in mind, carbon valence is 4. Now here hydroxy one bonded in remaining should be, here already carbon bond in the remaining. If I got line is considered for example, it is wrong. But you have to consider carbon valence how much? 4. 1 bond, 2 bond is third bond in another compulsory which one? That is also hydrogen. Nothing is given, you have to consider as hydrogen. So that is a very important thing for student understanding purpose. So common name of this one is called glycerol. This is glycerol. You may be studied in the solution chapter in one of the question glycerol. What we became that time is molecular weight is required. I think it is anti-freezing agent, something is used in the core or motor ratings. So this type of word will come in the physical also, inorganic also, based on that we have to remember this. So glycerol is a common name. Now IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. So we can consider now propane. E will be little bit more than one hydroxy group together in IUPAC name. 1, 2, 3 triols. This is 3 hydroxy group bonded to the one of the hydrocarbon chain. Now considering the aromatic part. In aromatic part here OH. This is one of the possibility. Second possibility OH, this OH we can shift to this fourth position. This OH part. Next, another possibility over here. OH. If this OH, if you shift here, then this name will be remaining same or not, we'll check now. OH. Small mistake of step. Now, this compound and this compound name is same or not, you can check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, even from this number. 1, 2, 3, 4th position. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4th position. Then you may ask the question here. Why not this clockwise counted? Why this anti-clockwise is counted? Then we know that all sums should be lowest number is required in the IUPAC nomenclature. That's why if you count clockwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, it's sum 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus is 5, 8. If you consider this direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 plus 2, that is 3, 3 plus 4, that is 7. 7 is lowest number than 8. That's why this anti-clockwise is counted, and this number also same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's why these two are same, identical compound. Looks like different, but see both are naming same. And name is same, that is called identical. That's why I don't want to write this. I want to rename this. Both are equivalent. Same. Then we can change. That is OH. All three should be in the different position. If you write like this, OH. Now its name is different compared with these two, then this compound is different. Now consider the common name. This is called fluoroglucinol. This is called pyrogallol. This type of word you may be heard in the inorganic chemistry. Otherwise, you will maybe see this type of compounds in inorganic chemistry second year maybe. Sometimes it is used as a solvent also. Next, this is called, actually if this OH is not there, before only we discussed last time, that is OH will get the 1,4 position, that is called phenol. Then this is this one extra hydroxy group is there, that's what is called hydroxyphenol. Hydroxyphenol. These are the common names. Common names are, if you see in your textbook, this trihydroxy group of the aromatic compound not there, but C, E, D, these common names are very, very important. Because IUPAC naming you can easily answer 1, 2, 3, then benzene 1, 2, 3, triol. IUPAC name is easy. These are for lectures also, for students also, we have to remember these names. So now it is benzene 1, 2, 3, triol. This is the IUPAC name of the first compound. Second compound name is, I am writing down now, benzene 1, 2, 4, triol. Next its name, that is benzene 1, 3, 5. If you don't know number, you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 1, 3, 5 position hydroxy group is there. Then it is benzene 1, 3, 5 triol. Generally this is symmetrical, because if you bisect this molecule here, then one OH is left side, another OH is right side. These are mirror image to each other. It is symmetrical compound. Okay. So now these are the trihydric alcohol. But keep in mind, these common names are very important for competitive exams. Next, after this, now tetrahydric, pentahydric, like this, if you read, it goes on up to enda. So that's why I have to stop here, trihydric alcohol. And that is only I want to come to the last one is polyhydric. But already I told you very clearly, more than one hydroxy group is all are considered, that is polyhydric only. But like this in polyhydric also we can classify into dihydric, trihydric, like tetra, penta, is also we can classify. But here why I am giving a polyhydric, there is more number of hydroxy groups. Polyhydric alcohols. Polyhydric alcohols. Here are more number of ways. All examples are well known. The examples are, one is glucose, fructose, galactose, mannose, and sucrose, mannose. All these you may study in the biomolecular chapter. So I am writing in names. One is glucose, next mannose, next galactose, next fructose, next disaccharide. These are monosaccharide. Glucose is only one part. If glucose and fructose both combine to form, it means on hydrolysis if you give the two smaller units, that is called disaccharide, that you will very clearly know in the biomolecular chapter. So in that, sucrose is disaccharide, next maltose, next lactose. These are disaccharides. These are monosaccharides. Next, in the polysaccharides are there. That is called starch, cellulose. All these are having more number of hydroxy groups. If you want one example, that is glucose. OH. See how many hydroxyl groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hydroxyl groups are present. So more number of hydroxyl, like this man is also having 5, galactose also having 5, fructose having maybe 1 less because one is keto group will be there. So like this more number of hydroxyl groups. This formula well known glucose formula in first chapter of first year basic concepts of chemistry. In that when you solve so many problems, that time you will know the glucose formula C6H12O6. Now consider how many carbons are present. 1. This all cross marks are there. 1 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hydrogens are 12. 1 plus 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Options are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a glucose formula. All these glucose, mannose, galactose, fructose molecular formula same, but their structures are little bit different. That's the formula is same. If you want to come here, sucrose, maltose, lactose, molecular formula is C12H22O11. For this also formula same, but structures are little bit different. These are also having more number of hydrogens. These are also polysaccharide having C6H10O5 taken N. This is a molecular formula of the starch and cellulose. Formula same, but structures are different. These are polyhydric alcohol. That was not important here. Here, trihydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, monohydric alcohols are important for your competitive exam. Anyway, it is well known in the biomolecule chapter. That's why no need to that much concentration here in the polyhydric. Next, I will discuss about the what do you call it? Monohydric alcohol classification. Monohydric. If you well known in the haloalkane chapter, this is also similar. Because this classification observed and in haloalkane classification observed, these are same material. They are monochloro, dichloro, trichloro, polychloro or polyhalo compounds are there. Similarly here, in the monohaloalkanes are classified into primary, secondary, tertiary, allylic, benzylic, vinylic, arylic, like this classification. Here are same. Now halogen remove, put the hydroxide. Same classification. That's why this classification part is not that much difficult, but in syllabus is that I am discussing here. Monohydric alcohols classified as primary, secondary, tertiary. Next, there is no quaternary alcohol. Quaternary carbon will be present, but quaternary alkyl halide, quaternary alcohol will not present because carbon valence is already we know that 4. Carbon bonded with the 4 carbon already filled. There is no any other who will be substituted. That's why quaternary alkyl halide, quaternary alcohol will not present. Primary, secondary, tertiary, and next allylic, benzylic. In this allylic, benzylic also again primary, secondary, tertiary will be there. Here also primary, secondary, tertiary benzylic is there. Next, vinylic, another is arylic. So each one we will discuss now how these are primary, secondary, tertiary, allylic, benzylic, and vinylic. These all in monohydric only. Keep in mind, not dihydric, not trihydric or polyhydric. Only for monohydric alcohols. Now consider already we know that what is the primary carbon? Carbon directly bonded with the other one carbon. That is primary carbon. If you don't know, then I will tell you carbon bond. This carbon is primary carbon because this carbon directly bonded with the one carbon. Next, carbon directly bonded with the 2 other carbon, and this carbon is known as secondary carbon. Carbon directly bonded with the 3 other carbon, and this carbon is known as tertiary carbon. Okay, next CH2 double bond CH, CH2. Anyone present? This After this part, next carbon is known as, this is called allyl. This type of group should be present, and next carbon is known as allylic. Next benzylic group. After benzene, one CH2 is there. That is called this bond only. This is also bond here. Okay. So this one is known as benzylic. Next CH2 double bond CH. This bond. This carbon is known as vinylic. This is benzylic. Benzoyl, benzyl. These are the two different words. This is called COCl, CH2Cl. Then this is called benzyl, benzyl chloride. This is called benzoyl chloride. If you want the word benzoyl chloride, this is benzoyl chloride. This is benzyl chloride. These are the common names only. So keep in mind what is benzyl, what is benzoyl. But here not discussing about chlorides or halides, I am discussing about alcohol. But for small differentiation purpose, I have given this word. So this is vinylic. Last one is arylic. This is a bond, not methyl group, this bond. So this is called arylic. Arylic. Okay. Now, based on this one, we will discuss the exact compounds. CH3CH2. This is primary carbon because this carbon is directly bonded with this one carbon. Now, you may ask the question also like this: CH3CH2CH2OH. Then this carbon is primary or secondary? Some students may consider this carbon bonded with a two carbon, not two here. Directly bonded is considered. Okay, so carbon bonded directly with the one carbon. This carbon bonded to this carbon. That's why that is not the secondary. It is considered only primary. Carbon which is directly bonded, that we have to consider. So this is also called primary alcohol. So primary alcohol generally treated with 1 degree. Okay. Next, secondary alcohol consider. Now CH3, CHOH, CH. You should first identify the carbon, not the alcohol. This carbon directly bonded with two other carbon. Then it is considered as secondary carbon. On this hydroxy group is bonded. Then it is called secondary alcohol. This is called secondary alcohol. Now, similarly, whatever here I given, just adding hydrogen because carbon balance should satisfy with the hydrogen is 4 carbon balance. So CH3. Next CH3, CH3, and this is OH. Then this is called tertiary alcohol. This carbon directly bonded with the 3 other carbon. Then this is tertiary carbon. On this OH is bonded. Thus it is called tertiary alcohol. Quaternary alcohol not possible. I will write here. Reason is CH3, 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 CH. This is called quaternary carbon. But there is no any other group bonded because carbon balance is already satisfied. If you write like this one OH group, then carbon cannot accommodate more than 4 groups. Fifth bond is not possible. So this is not possible. Next, allylic bond. CH2 double bond CH. After vinylic, this is called vinylic. This is also vinylic. After vinylic group, there is a CH2 or CH. Their respective primary and secondary is possible. Then this carbon is directly bonded with one carbon. Then this is primary allylic. This is primary allylic alcohol. Now CH2 double bond CH, CH, CH3, OH. Now in these two compounds observe. Here how many hydrogens are there? 2. Here 1. So instead of 1 more methyl group is given. So this carbon is directly bonded with the 2 other carbon. Then it is secondary. But which type of secondary? This is allylic. If this type of setup is there, that is called which one? Allylic. Here also same is there, but secondary allylic is this. Secondary allylic. If tertiary, this hydrogen is removed and we can put the methyl. That is called tertiary allylic bond. Now I will discuss about the benzylic. Next, benzyl alcohol. Now consider this is a setup. We know that what is benzylic. This is setup for benzylic. If CH3 is there, that is called toluene, but one hydrogen is replaced by OH, that is called benzyl alcohol. When there is no group, that time we use the benzylic. Now don't use here benzylic alcohol. We have to use benzyl alcohol. There is no group who is there, that means benzyl, allylic, benzylic, vinylic, allylic word you are using. But in the name, don't use a benzylic alcohol. You should use benzyl alcohol. These all you should know very well. Otherwise, they may ask the question which of the following is correct, and that time it will be confusion. So that's why you have to read the textbook each and every word very clearly. But some students what they will do when they overlook. When overlook, compulsory you will get the mistake in the objective part. In PUC, they may consider they will give the marks. There is no problem. But competitive exam part, you have to take care. Next, in that also we can consider secondary. Here 2 hydrogens are present at the carbon. Now instead of 1 hydrogen, now I will write here CH and this is OH. Then this is called secondary benzyl alcohol. Similarly, tertiary, that is called CH3 OH. That is tertiary benzyl alcohol. Then you may ask a question also how to give the IUPAC name for this compound. See, this is a substituent on this alcohol because we have to give the first pairity or least pairity to the least number to the functional group. This is a functional group bonded to this one. This is the main carbon chain. On this is a phenyl group is bonded. That's what it is called. IUPAC name phenyl methane. E remove and add ol methanol. Don't write like this. Phenyl methane E 1 ol if it is given, then this is wrong. E should not be present in the monohydric alcohol. When more than one OH is there, that time only in hydrocarbon E will be retained. Now it is monohydric, E should not be present. That is very, very important. Now consider this compound. This hydroxy group bond should get the least number. Then this is 1, this is 2. Then this is the substituent now. Then we can say here 1 phenyl ethane. E should be removed and add at first position ol is there. That's what it's called 1 ol. It may be at the second position also. That's why we have to indicate the number. So 1 phenyl ethane 1 ol. Okay. Next here, this is a 1, this is a 2. At first position we have 2 substituents. One is we have to choose the longest carbon chain. So generally here also like me, you can do mistake here. If you give like this numbering 1, 2, then some student what they will do here, methyl is here, phenyl is there. M, N, P. Then you will write here alphabetical order 1 phenyl, 1 methyl, ethanol or ethane 1-ol. This is wrong. Reason why I am writing wrong first means students should know the first which is wrong. Otherwise, in the concrete example, you will get the compulsory negative marking. So, according to our IUPAC nomenclature, we have to choose the first longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3. This is the correct way of numbering. 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, like this also be 1, 2, 3 also no problem. Because now 3 is the highest principal carbon chain. Then correct is second position phenyl is 2-phenyl. Second position phenyl group is 2-phenyl propane. E should be removed and 2-ol. This is the correct name of this compound. That's why when structure is given, writing IUPAC name is easy, but common name is you have to remember. There is no any other way. So, but in IUPAC name also sometimes you will do the mistakes. That mistake also I indicated there. So, don't if you see class, then you may feel it is easy, but sometimes it is difficult. That's why you have to practice well. 1 or 2 times practice, then you will get the clarity about how to write the nomenclature.